Hi everybody, and welcome to Stories with Gigi. Today, I'm going to read a story about a dog named Arfie who is homeless and living on the streets. Will he be rescued and find his forever family? We will soon find out. Stay tuned after the story and you will meet my rescue dog, Kate. And please remember to like and subscribe. Let's begin.
Can I be your dog? And this is a picture of my rescue dog, Kate. Can I Be Your Dog? By Troy Cummings. Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. Dear Arfie, we're so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is, allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search. The Honeywells. Dear Butcher Lady, can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep your floor nice and clean. Arfie. Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Veronica Shank, Butcher. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dried giblets and good luck finding a home. Dear Fire Station Number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots, plus, let's just say, I know my way around a fire hydrant. I've sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street, and yours is the shiniest. Arfie. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5. Dear Junkyard Guy, I'm not gonna lie. You're my next to last choice. But these past few days have been rough. 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 So please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much, and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. And look, here's a picture of the butternut dump. Dear Mutt, get lost. Dear Last House on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell. But I'm not picky, just lonely. Arfie. Return to sender. Nobody at this address. Last house on Butternut Street. Sent by Arfie, Soggy Box in the Alley. And there's Arfie walking back to his cardboard box in the rain. And there he is in his soggy box while the rain still comes down. But look, in the light of day, he sees a letter with a heart on it, taped to his soggy box. And it says, "To Arfie." Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what, snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first-class partner with hugs and head scratches. Mitzi Whipple, letter carrier. P.S. If you agree, meet me at the big blue mailbox. And there is Mitzi by the big blue mailbox, looking down the street, hoping that she will see Arfie. And there he is, running towards her with her letter in his mouth. And look, they have come together, and she's going to give him a forever home. Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes. Truly yours, Arfie. P.S. Woof. Scritch, scratch. Here's how you can help a homeless animal. Adopt a shelter animal instead of buying a pet. Volunteer at a shelter or a pet adoption event. Spay or neuter your pet so there will be fewer fur babies to find a home for. Donate to your local animal shelter or a national animal advocacy group, such as the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals and the Humane Society. Extend a helpful paw so all our animal friends can find forever homes.
I'm so glad that Arfie found his forever home, just like Kate did. Kate was found wandering the streets right here in Madison, Alabama, when she was only 9 months old. A kind person picked her up off the streets and took her to a place called Madison Animal Rescue Foundation, commonly called MARF. When I decided to get a dog, I called MARF and I told them exactly what I was looking for. I said I want a medium-sized female dog who was good with children and great with cats. And they said they had the perfect dog for me. And that's when we adopted Kate. Kate is a mixed breed dog, and so we did some genetic testing to find out what breeds are in her. She is mostly American Staffordshire, but her genetic profile also revealed that she is part Doberman Pinscher, Rottweiler, Keeshon, Chow Chow, and Border Collie. Kate loves to play fetch. Good girl, bring it back. Good dog. What a good girl. Also do tricks.
Soft wolf. Woof.
Good dog.
Speak. Speak. High five. Sit. Shake. Sit. Shake. Other paw. Good dog. Bang.
What a good girl. Good job, Kate. All these lovely breeds mixed into one amazing dog. So if you're considering getting a dog, please, before you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a dog, contact your local shelters and rescue organizations. Please adopt, don't shop. Bye.